下してあげる
So, welcome back guys. We are finally back for this General of the Blazing Flame in SAO AMD. Oh yeah, I'm hyped for this of course. So, I'll make 4 and 4. Oh, you understand? No? Never mind. Probably we're going to keep fighting with salamanders. So I guess we better pick water type. Alright, Shinon. So, let's go. Coughing. Oh, fight already? Oh damn, oh. Yeah, right. Oh, so ugly and disgusting. That's supposed to kill it. Oh, oh, oh damn. That's... Oh, thank you. Well, if I find the rest of the whoa. Oh, I thought you were attacking. But you bring attack or oh, whoa, whoa. Ah! Are you trying to kill me? Huh, no, just trying to save us sometime. You and your shortcuts. It's a short story. A short episode. Well, yeah, come on. Let's continue after our story. Oh, wait a sec. Oh, damn, I didn't check. Do you even know where this meeting's happening? Yeah, I'll check. Northwest, inside that mountain. Inside the mountain? Is that true? How much time we've got? 20 minutes. That's long. They were not going fast enough. Oh. Go on. Kirito, lead the way. Wait, did I just... wait for some... No, no, no! Oh, luckily I can heal. No. Oh, damn! I thought that was the end of it. Yeah. Yeah, I end this already. Oh! Whirlpool strike already. Oh, damn, I missed. Ooh. The penetration though. Elfin, neutral territory, Butterfly Valley. Nice, nice. I wish we could go faster, cause at this rate, we're not gonna make it before the salamanders. Well, yeah, make it. I know, even if we can warn them, it doesn't mean we'll get the commanders out in time. We just might end up dying with them all in battle. I've got player reading 68 of them flying in formation. Oh, that's kinda many. From what I can tell, it could be the Salamander attack squad. 14 more up ahead. Oh. Most likely the diplomats from the Sylphs and Cases. 50 seconds until they make contact. We didn't make it after all. 50 seconds. Thanks for trying, Kirito, but this is far enough. I'm gonna try and save Sakura. Get off here and head for the wall tree. Again? We didn't get to hang out for long, but it was fun. Hope we meet again someday. Sorry, but running away from a fight's not really my style. Wait. Familiar? Huh? Oh yes. Anytime soon. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, what the heck? Ambassador of the aliens. Okay, okay. I got it. I got it. Oh damn. Can't see. Why the salamanders here? You don't know? Okay, that's Kagemune, Eugene, and who's this? Sakuya and Elisha. Silence. Oh, salamanders, stand down. I'm from Spriggan. Sakuya, Oliver, what are you doing here? It's not easy to explain, but the one thing I can say is that our fates depend on him. Wait, is this English even true? You have got to be kidding. I want to talk to your community. Oh, you're too big. I can't even read I. What the hell is this brigand like you doing here? Oh damn, the OST. I'll kill you. Hey, I'll kill you, Javier answered, but in honor of your bravery, I'll hear you out. My name is Kirito. I'm ambassador for the Spriggan Eugene Alliance. Eugene? Since you're on the offensive today, I'm assuming you want to wage a full-on war between the races. The Udins are alive if there's brigands, huh? And you're supposed to be their ambassador, but you've come here without a guard? Yeah, that's right. I was sent here to negotiate trade terms with the Sylphs and the Cade Sylphs. But if you interrupt our talks, you're gonna get to feel some serious hurt. Oh damn. All of our races are gonna team up and we'll bring the fight straight to the salamanders. Damn. You're all alone and you've got crappy gear. So there's no way you can be anyone's ambassador. Oh, I know this familiar line from the extra quest. If you can survive my attacks for 30 seconds, then I'll believe you are who you say you are. Well, damn. You do not meet the... Ah! It's neither only Kirito or only one people. Which one? Yeah, okay, what's the condition? Duel. Oh, okay, only one people. It's level 9. I want to use Kirito, but you need to understand that it's watertight time. And actually, how should I say? Uh, I got no backup again. Like before, just like before, the first one. So I guess I used the one that not have resistance. Yeah, I'll win easily. Don't worry. It's really we're talking about. Suddenly, suddenly I misfeel ya. This is bad. Huh? Do you see that salamander sword? It's the demon sword Graham. Oh yeah. You need a two-handed sword skill of 950 to equip it. 950? Yes, and there's only one person I know who can use it. General Eugene. Yeah, that guy, of course. Have you heard of him? Yeah, I know the name. Oh, look at the picture. He's the younger brother of the salamander leader, Mortimer. They are brothers in real life too. Mortimer's a brilliant strategist, but in terms of sheer power, Eugene is this game's strongest player. Then better you're the one who become the leader. Oh no, he's the strongest player? Kirito. Uh, oh, I knew that. Yeah, damn. What was that? The Adderall Shift, the sword's bonus skill. The sword's bonus skill? Whenever someone tries to block it, with a shield or a sword, the demonic sword Graham can face right through it. What the heck? Really? No way. You already said this. The commander of the Salamander forces is none other than Lord Mortimer's brother. He wields the legendary demonic sword grenade and is said to be the strongest man in LO. Show him you're no weakling either, yeah. Didn't Sumeragi beat your ass before? Come on. Oh, oh well, I'm more powerful, you know. Well, yes, that's easy for me. A smoke screen? Spriggan illusion magic, huh? Yeah. What the? I need to borrow this for a sec. Oh, yes. Kirito! A few seconds, that's all you want. Oh, damn. Where'd he go? Do you think he ran away? No. Of course he didn't. Yeah, I know. Oh, the fields are still here. Oh damn, as long as I'm alive, I'm not gonna let anyone in my party die. Yeah, Kirito will never run away and leave us. Yeah, I know. Oh, the music. Roar! Kirito! See. Roar! Yeah, our toe wheels return. Roar! What? Second sword? Roar! Yeah, nice. Who are they singing? Roar! Yeah. Oh, I guess I don't have to read this. Oh, damn. Splendid. Marvelous. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I heard nice just now. That was, that was the most amazing fight ever. I prefer this kind. Wow. Rain didn't cut any gratitude though. Well, I support her. Rain! Rain! Okay, okay. Okay, I know this video is short, but I guess I'll stop here. I got too many feels, you know. Oh, oh, oh my god. Okay, I continue right away around this time, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy. Share too. Yeah, I'll see you guys around this time.